Hey everybody, Jason Lake with the team here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to show you the Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. This model has been tried, tested all around the country. It is awesome. So Whaler continues to refine little things, maybe when it comes to the interior or technology on the boat, but this hull is awesome. I've actually gone from Florida to Bimini on this hull, and it was an exciting day. So powering this boat is a perfect package. This is max horsepower here, 500 total horsepower with twin V8 250 Verados from Mercury Marine. And you will have a standard aft starboard side entryway with your traditional ladder that's underneath our hatch here in the back. Rod holders all the way across the back of the boat. And you can see here we have our bent seat pulled out. We also equipped this boat with the port side bent seat you see tucked away. So that's exactly how this aft seat will tuck away as well. It's nice, it's flush, it's out of the way of you and your guest, and your bolsters will continue through the boat. So if you start to fish, things of that nature, you'll have nice comfort on your thighs as you're fighting that fish. We do have tow rails on both sides of the cockpit as well to keep you anchored to the boat if you get that big grouper on the other end, and then two massive fish boxes, both macerated port and starboard of the cockpit as well. Nice table if you guys aren't fishing that moment, you want to set up for the family and hang out, we could get you set up. As we move midship, you'll see our refrigerator, freshwater sink with a pull-out sprayer. You do have a pull-out sprayer in the entryway as well for your second. Really nice opposing seats here, and we do have a pull-out table so you can do some al fresco dining when you guys are sitting on the hook and hanging out. This seat will pull forward so that you can sit, watch your lines, or again engage friends and family that are hanging out on the back of the boat. There is a sure shade here. It's a manual sure shade, so this will cover your entire cockpit and getting everybody out of the sun. And then a really nice helm station. Your seat's up nice and high. You can see over the windshield. Visibility on this boat is really, really good. We got a single 16-inch multifunction display here from Simrad. Joystick docking, of course, guys, that incorporates your skyhook, your that would be your satellite anchor system. We have autopilot in that, waypoint heading, and then you can also adjust your steering when autopilot with that joystick, which is, if you haven't experienced that, you should demo a Boston Whaler and check that out. Perfectly placed binnacles here on our throttles to get you going. And then your battery switches are going to be enclosed here on a gasketed door with a beautiful piano hinge. Guys, they overbuild everything at Boston Whaler, so your things don't start to rattle and come loose after 3, 4, 5, and 6 years of ownership. So let's head down into the cabin and show you what it looks like.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, everybody, we're still aboard the 285 Conquest from Boston Whaler. This is a really nice cabin if you're trying to stay on the hook for a couple of nights with some buddies. You guys are off on a fishing excursion. This is a fantastic cabin. So again, I'm 6'1", plenty of head height here to sit here in the cabin. This is a high-low table, so we'll drop this table down. We'll have the filler cushions fill in, and that'll create your berth down here in the cabin. On the port side of the boat, you'll have a nice microwave setup, a large sink, single burner stove, and a refrigerator as well. And then just to the right of our cabinetry, or to the right of the microwave, you'll see your pneumatic system that's going to operate. That'll be your thermostat for your AC, and then you'll see your audio controls as well. You can control that audio from the multifunction display up top as well. So rod storage across the top, and then a really nice oversized shower here as well. For a 28-foot boat, that's a really nice shower and head setup. I can get in there no problem, 6'1" again, and stand in there and have plenty of elbow room. So a great cabin for you, for those of you looking to have a little bit of everything on your boat. Boston Whaler 285 Conquest is going to give you that. Let's go check out the bow. Everybody, we're on the bow of the 285 Conquest, and again, I had alluded to the 285 will offer you a bit of everything. You can overnight on the boat. We can day boat on this thing with a bunch of friends and family. We can fish it, and this bow here, if you're looking to stay on the hook, watch the sunset go down. We did opt this boat with the sun lounge here on the bow, so you can sit here, lay up here with your loved ones, check the sunset out. Really cool feature. Really beefy windlass anchor here. You have your setup cleat to tie that off, and then we have a really nice hatch here as well. And again, all finished surfaces, no raw fiberglass on your Whaler, built better than everybody else. Rod holders you'll see in the deck of the bow here. That's going to give us our bow shade to get out of the sun when we're lounging up here. And then on the hardtop here, you'll see some equipment that we put on, your automatic spotlight, excuse me, not automatic, but remote spotlight, your closed dome Simrad radar, and then you can see our outriggers as well. So very well equipped boat. If you want to get a closer look, come see the team here at MarineMax Clearwater. We'd be honored to show it to you. You can reach me on my cell phone at area code 509-869-8306. Jason Lake, looking forward to seeing you on the water.